How to use Chatgpt for coding step by step. To use the Chatgpt for coding purposes, you simply have to describe your programming language, your specific goals, and your data inputs in plain text. Then ask the AI to generate, debug, or optimize the code for you. First things first, what you can do is use a structured developer persona prompt. You simply have to go ahead and launch the Chatgpt application, tap on the two horizontal lines on the top right or the top left, depending on your device. Tap on your account icon over here on the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down or head to the My Personalization option. Now, within this custom instructions, what you can do is give it a instruction to create a persona based on the prompt that you are about to give. What you can do is type act as an software expert, engineer analyzing in certain language, and write clean, well commented, and optimized code based on the requirements. Once you do this, you simply have to now head backwards and head to the chat field. Tap on the text box over here at the bottom. Now you simply have to leverage the built-in code sandbox, and then you can proceed to debug the error messages automatically. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.